We have got to talk. Ipsy, what are you doing? Hey everyone, it's Karen and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I am hoping by the end of it you'll hit that subscribe button. So I've been unboxing for you today, and Ipsy has been doing some shady things and I don't think enough people are talking about it. I did get my Ipsy PR packages, which I am grateful for. Thank you, Ipsy. But I did notice, and I checked for emails to see if they were going to tell me about any changes. My box used to be $32.39. What I'm talking about my paid box, because I also get paid boxes even though I have my PR boxes to unbox today. And $32.39 on November 1st. Then January, $34.55. So it has went up. Plus, this is the third or fourth time where I went in to pause my boxes a day or 2 days before, and it says this: I've already been billed for January. Not okay, especially if you get charged every month on the 1st. It's supposed to be the 1st. The charge didn't actually hit my account until the 1st, but in the past I've had it hit my account the 31st, whatever. It could cause problems for people. I get a direct deposit on the 1st. So if I get a direct deposit on the 1st, you know, it's usually fine because the deposit goes in before. But if I don't have the money in there on the 31st, I get concerned. And they should not be taking the money out before then, or even charging your card for a pre-charge before then. But that is what they're doing. I'm going to be sending an email to them asking them why this is and what can they do to change it, because it's not okay. It's just not. What if your account gets overdrawn? What if you want to skip it and now you can't because they've already billed you? You know, that's not okay, because they are advertising that up until midnight of the 1st, you should be able to pause your box, and you can't when they do that. All right, let's get into the unboxing. And okay, so now it is $34.55 for me for when I purchase for 5 full-size items. And you get a mixture of makeup, beauty, and skincare. This is my PR box, so I did not get to choose anything. In the regular paid boxes, you get to choose 3 of your items. All right, let's see what we have here. Okay, so spoiler alert, I did use some of these products already. All right, here we go. We'll talk about this one first. The Ofra eyeshadow palette, blended easy, pretty colors. And I have it on my eyes right now. I am very pale because it is winter. So these colors would look better on me with a tan, to be perfectly honest with you. But I do like the palette. There's 5 shades in here. All right, let's move on. I can put prices for you on the screen. And then we've got, which we've seen before, Saturday Skin Apple and Peach Gentle Cleanser. I believe I've gotten the mask. I don't believe I've ever gotten a cleanser, so this is actually not a repeat, which is a good thing. I'm sure it probably has a seal. It does, so I can't smell it for you, but I always like getting cleansers because then I don't have to buy them. Okay, moving on, we have by Paradox. This here is the blow dry spray. It says Instant Root Lift and Mega Volume. And this is in like a, not an aluminum jar. It's not like plastic or anything, just so you guys get the, you know, the full experience. We have 2 items left, and by Feel, we have Squatane. I might say that wrong. Facial oil. Apply to dry skin once daily or as needed. This product is highly concentrated, only a small amount is needed. All right, so this is a very plain looking box. It doesn't tell me much about it. Maybe it says more. Oh gosh. Vitamin C. So this is one thing you may want to put in your skincare fridge. Reduce. Oh God, I really can't read that. So it's a serum. That's what it is. Okay. Last, we have by Half Caked Instant Crush, and I believe these are lip glosses. Let's go on and open them up. Oh, they're cute. That's cute. They probably have good smells. Let's see. Yeah, not bad. I mean, not great. Okay. That's nice and shiny. Let's check out the other one. All right. They're non-sticky, so that works. All right, let's recap and then let's talk, okay? All right, so the lip glosses by Half Caked. We have the Feel Serum. We have the Volume Spray by Paradox, the blow dry spray. We have the Cleanser by Saturday Skin. And then we have the Ofra palette. That is everything. I'll put prices and the total of the box on the screen, total value of the box on the screen. But tell me now, I've actually been looking at Chic Beauty Box, and I remember getting them 3 years ago, and it was like a total mess, so I didn't get it again. But now I'm looking, they have like some high-end stuff. Thinking I might switch from Ipsy to Chic Beauty Box. It's a bi-monthly, but it's like $34, which is what I'm paying for this monthly. So tell me, have you guys seen the unboxings for Chic Beauty Box? It's been a while since I've seen one, but I did go to their website, and I was pretty impressed with the high-end products they had. I am noticing more new brands in here. How do you feel about that? Because I always liked Boxycharm for the high-end brands. I like seeing a Huda palette. I like seeing, you know, Anastasia Beverly Hills. Ofra, definite plus. You can put that in my box all day long. But what do you also think about them charging you 2 days beforehand? Let me know everything down in the comments. Let's keep it nice and sweet down there. And I want to hear from you. Let me know what you think. I can't wait to read the comments, and I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.